Hello everybody, today is a loot day, and a loot day is a good day. The Rode NT1 5th generation unboxing. I also got some bling by Armani. So why don't we get to unboxing this thing, and man, remember to take your vitamins. And my previous experience with Rode has been only with this VideoMic Pro for the video camera. But now we are going to get ourselves a good condenser mic. Okay, here's a sticker. Let's open it up. I got this for rapping, for singing, for YouTube videos, and also for voice acting practice. It's a dual connect microphone. That means that we have an USB-C and we also have an XLR input in this. Okay, here we have the pop filter. Here we have the shock mount. It's a very robust construction. Okay, here we should have the cables. This one comes with the both of the cables. Here we have an XLR cable and also a USB-C cable. And the XLR cable is red, which is awesome. I really dig that. We also of course have the microphone over here with a bag of do not eat. Voila! And it's a metal construction. Next, let's unbox the stand. Heavy metal! Heavy metal! Okay, so this stand material, it's heavy metal. It's right, like really, it's heavy and it's metal, so it's heavy metal. And I like to sing black metal. I like to sing black metal! So I hope that this will also be a good mic for that. So first you screw this microphone into here, like this. And then you screw the microphone into the base like this. Like, look at this, we have some height adjustment. Let's next put the, what's this called? The pop filter on. So that's the whole assembly, and it's quite a hefty thing, you know. I hope that this will be your professional solution, because that's what I have been looking for. I have quite a voice nowadays. Okay, let's start testing out this microphone. So, hello everybody, let's get to testing out this microphone with some of my voice acting characters. Let's go for the really smooth guy first. The Rode NT1 or 5th generation, whatever it is, microphone is here in the test by Truth Detective Man. This microphone has a cable that's colored red. I bet that if you buy this you will get to... So let's talk a little bit about these jewelries I got. So here's the necklace. Man, this is quality, and I think that we get to the sweet spot of quality versus price over here. With jewelries you have to pay for the design. What I mean by good design over here is that you can change the length of this necklace, and you can also and what I mean about good design with this bracelet is that it doesn't make a noise when you move. That's nice. And it's also the way that this reflects light. The only bad thing about the fucking loot day is that you get so much plastic bags. But I also have something more to show you. I also got some books. And these are great books. These books are from the actualize.org book list. And the first book, John Wooden. And the first book, John Wooden on leadership. You want to become a fucking leader? Just read this freaking book. You gotta get it all here. And then we have another book, Quiet, the Power of Introverts in a World That Can't Stop Talking. Well, I have a problem of being quiet. You know, I like to make a lot of noise. But I usually make a lot of noise when people don't really hear me. So maybe that will help me in my fucking endeavor of becoming the sound genius.